Welcome back. In this quick tutorial, we are going to use our OS module in order to write another very simple script which is very useful. Now, the script we are going to write is one that we can use to count the amount of files we've got in a folder. So when you are writing a big script, sometimes it is necessary to know the amount of files in order to apply some logics. So how do you use this? Let me go on and create a file. So let us call it file number.py. Now let us open file number.py. Here we are going to, first of all, let us import our OS as usual. We import OS, and now let us make use of it. So we're going to count the amount of files. So we are using OS, and then now we are going to list the directory. When you use list a directory, we are checking the home folder or the root. Now we are going to print the files. Let us first of all print the files. If you remember, what we were trying to do was to print the number of files, but not just to list the files. But let us first of all run this. So it is Python 3 file num. So what it did, it just lists all the files that we've got in the directory. But that's not what we want. So let us go back there. We are going to use the len function. We are going to use the len function in order to count the number. Let's save it. Let us run it again. Now it tells us that we've got 105 files in the directory that we just checked. So this is how easy it is to use the OS module to count amount of files in your directory. I hope this has been helpful. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you other things you could do with this very OS module. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you.